Assalamualaikum to dear viewers. Today's reading is about it's about Sagittarius. What's going to happen in July 2020 for my dear Sagittarius, and I am directly going towards the reading. Okay, for my dear Sagittarius in July 2020, um, um, your first card is Five of Wands. This card represents fight, call, competition, um, battle, and you are fighting over something. You are here fighting over something. You're for your rights, for your love, for your loved one, anything, for your property, or for your money, anything. You are here, you are fighting over something. Okay, then the next card is Three of Cups, and that card is upside down or reverse, and that means that you are not happy in this situation, or you are not happy at this time. You are feeling very sad, very sorrow, weeping. You are weeping, you are crying. You are not happy in this situation. You want to be happy. You want to be uh, to make to spend your time with joy, but in this situation, in this fight, in this quarrel, in this competition, you are not happy. You are very worried about it. What is going on, what will happen to you in future, why is this happening, anything. And there's something hidden with this moon card. There's something hidden over here. Somebody wears a false mask over their face. They are not telling you the truth. They are the liar. They are the deceiver or backstabber. Okay, they don't want to know, to let you know anything. And you will know with this moon card. You will know in this July 2020 that what are they hiding from you. Okay, you will know that. You will know that what are they hiding from you. You are a very wise person, and you are very emotional, I think. Also, you are very emotional person. You don't tell anybody anything about what you have in your mind. And now with this card, you are they are revealing this truth to you. Okay, and now with this Four of Pentacles, I think so, yes, Four of Pentacles. And you are protecting something. You are holding something. You don't want to let it go. You don't want to um, to take some step that will lead you to some danger, some disaster. You are very thoughtful over here. You are thinking about here you are thinking a lot, and you are very worried, and you don't let anybody go. If they are your parents, they are your friends, or wife, husband, anything. Or maybe this is your money. You don't want to spend a lot of money in this situation, in this time. Okay, and someone is hiding someone from you, or you are hiding some from somebody, and that will lead to this with this to this fighting. Okay, and with Seven of Pentacles, you have done something. You have done some hard work in some situation. Maybe it's for your life partner, or for your parents, or in your business, anything. You have put lot of effort in this situation, and you want to gain from it. You want the profit from it, and you are waiting for it. In this card, you have done a lot, and now you want to gain from it. Okay, with this King of Swords upside down, or in reversed position, you are not cutting someone from your life, or leave someone, or maybe and also you are not so isolated, or you are not keeping your thoughts in your mind. I think this is for you. The moon card, you are going to reveal something towards someone, towards whom you love, or your job owner, or someone, and you are going to tell them what is right and what is wrong. Or maybe you are not seeing the truth over here. With this card upside down, you are not seeing the truth. They are not telling you the true, what is the truth. And okay, with this Knight of Cups. Okay, with this Knight of Cups, there is somebody who is coming towards you with a lot of love, with lot of care, with a lot of passion, but they are stuck over here. They are not coming towards you, or maybe they are at this time not thinking about you like this, like with passion, with love. Okay, and they are not coming towards you. They are blocked over here. Okay, somebody blocked them uh, to come towards you. I think you are you have done a lot of struggle or a lot of work for somebody to come towards you, and that is not happening in this month. With this Sun card upside down, definitely there is no success, there is no abundance, there is no fertility, no nothing, no happiness over in this situation. Only in this situation. I don't say that this is in all situation, but only in this situation, in this particular situation, you have nothing. There is no progress in this situation in this month. Okay, and with this Chariot, yes, definitely you are not moving, you are not going towards anything, you are not changing anything. You want to change, but there is a blockage over here. And with this King of Wands, you are not able to think straight, you are not able to decide anything. You will decide, if you will decide anything in this. And you are maybe you have no money to give somebody, to care about someone, or you are, don't think straight to care about somebody, to know what they want to say, what is their meaning. And Two of Swords, somebody is breaking their blockage, their restrictions towards you. They had blocked you in your past, or some situation is blocked over here. And with this I think your blockage is going to finish over here, or break over here. And you still don't have the happy family life in this month. I think you don't have the money, you have the money problem, or you have the, your mind is not settled, not relaxed, so you can't decide anything with the with you can't decide anything over here. Yes, and with this Ten of Swords, somebody here wants to backstab you. They want to receive you, they want to get something from you, steal something from you, or simply want to kill you, or want your throne over here. Can you see that king's throne is out of their head? They want, maybe they want your throne, they want your authority. I want to say they want your property, and they want your money, I think so. Or maybe your honor. I think somebody respect you and they want your respect. Maybe they are jealous of you. Okay, and with this Four of Cups, I think they are not happy what they got, and they want to do something bad to you. With this Ten of Swords, they want to kill you, but this is not necessary that they want to kill you, but they have to done something bad to you. Okay. and sorry, and they are not happy what they have in their life. They want more, they want your success, they want your happiness, they want uh, your home, or maybe your life partner, something. That's why you are struggling over here, you are fighting with that person, you are not happy in this situation. And some this truth is going to reveal towards you that what they want to from you. Okay. This is also the situation that your person is not want to live with you anymore. They want to leave you, they want to deceive you, they want to backstab you, they want to get away from you. Okay. You deserve love, you are lovable. The universe is trying to tell you that you are a good man, you deserve love. You are a humble person, but this person is not good for you, someone is not good for you, and they are planning something to backstab you or to do something bad to you. Okay, with this free yourself first. And this card is upside down, that means that you can't leave that person. With this king of swords also in reverse position, you can't leave that person. They are in your life, they are your soulmate, or maybe they are your husband, wife, parents, siblings, anyone. You can't leave them, they are so close to you, and you are in some kind of relationship with them, and you can't leave them. Okay, with this three fates, what comes around? Okay, with this card, what comes uh, what happened in the first time, that will never happen in the second time. If they will, that will happen in the second time, they will never happen in the third time. If they will continuously happening to you, then it will happen until this going to end. Someone is protecting you until this is going to end over here. Okay. And you have to be careful of that person, that wolf person. They are not good for you. Look that in their king of sword, they also have the wolf in their sitting in their feet, in his feet. And they are very close to you, and you don't know that what they have in their mind. Now in this month of July 2020, you are going to reveal this situation will reveal itself to you, and you have the broken home, the love life, with this situation. Yes. I want to pull some more cards for you. These are my handmade cards, and this is the conversation from them, what they want to tell you, what they want to say to you. Okay. And now I am going to pull that cards, that what are they want to say to you. Okay guys, with this these cards, you have first card, do you take care of my children? I think your soulmate or your life partner have children, and they are asking you if do you care for their children. Maybe this is your second marriage, or maybe they are not feeling well, or they are going to leave you, and they are asking you that do you take care of their children. uh, you are stalking me, they are telling you that you are stalking them. They are not happy with you, they don't want to live with you, they want to move forward, they want to move towards somebody else, they don't want to live in this situation anymore. And this will reveal in this July 2022, my dear Sagittarius. And with this, you destroy my life. They are telling you, you destroy my life. because they are not happy with you. They think that you don't love them, you don't care about them, and something like this. They are telling you that you destroy my life, and by marrying them and the home. Okay, we together will make the home. They can also say that if you, maybe if you are going to take care of their children, maybe they have the children from the past relationship, and they bring them in this relationship, and you don't want to care about them, and they tell if um, we together will make the home. Or maybe this is you talking about, to them, you telling them you can do it, and you both will make the home. Okay, together you both will make the home. The hidden desires, they are hidden desires, they are hiding something from you. They don't want to tell you, or maybe they are afraid to tell you anything, that you might be you might uh, angry with them, you might um, do something uh, bad to them. I love you, but I have to do my job. Yes, they are telling you, they maybe they are not in your life, and you are attracted towards them. You both love each other, but they can't do that because they have the children in their life. And if you are going to take care of them, they will you both together will make the home. Okay, and these are their hidden desires, or maybe it's more than this. They also want you, they love you, they want to care, they care about you, but they have to do their job, that is their children's. And with this other card, it's raining in and out. They are not happy with this situation. They want to come towards you, they want to marry you, they want to live with you, they want to love you, but they can't do this because they have some responsibilities on them. I will surely feel or make you happy. They are telling you, if they will come to your life, they will surely make you happy. They are a good person, they are not a bad person, but they are restricted, they have some responsibilities towards them. They have to take care of someone else, that these childs, because they are small, they can't take care of themselves on their own selves. Okay, I am sorry, they are telling you, I am sorry. They are not a bad person, but they are um, they have to do this. Okay, if you can take care of their children, they will come towards you and they will make you happy. They will uh, do anything for you. Okay, this is the reading for you, and I hope you like it, and I hope you like it, and please like, share, and subscribe this reading. If you want to know more about your situation, please go and watch my previous reading, and you will also see my future reading. And for that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all of my so you can see all of my new videos. And with lots of love, with lots of wishes, best wishes. Bye.